if you're a busy woman and you think skincare takes too much time, this 5 minutes routine will change everything for you. I'll be showing you quick 5 minutes routine that you can start. It's quick, fast, and easy. Yeah, just 5 minutes. It takes just 5 minutes for this routine. Trust me. I'm not going to like show you long process because I know so many women are out there very busy like me. I'm a very busy mom. I work from home, all right, and I have a business as well. I do remote job. I have my own business. I take care of my family. I do my school runs. A lot of things that I do. So most times I just want to just do my skincare in a quick way, in a fast way for just 5 or 10 minutes at most, and not waste too much time because I don't have that time. All right. So this video is for all the busy women out there, all the busy moms. You're a busy mom, you're a busy woman, busy wife, busy, entrepreneur. You just want a quick and fast skincare routine that doesn't take much of your time. This video is for you, all right? This video is for you. Sit back, relax, watch this video and watch it to the end because I'll be showing you fast and quick 5 minutes skincare routine that you can start immediately. Like it doesn't take time. Just 5 minutes and you're done and you're ready to go. So whatever you need to do, all right? So, but before we get into the video, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my skincare channel. Yeah, welcome to my skincare channel. On this channel, we talk about skincare, beauty tips, affordable skincare routines to help to give you a beautiful, flawless, and radiant skin. So if you love skincare, do well to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and also drop comments for me in the comment section. Like guys, feel free, drop your questions for me in the comment section and I'll be answering all your questions, all right? And for my returning subscribers, thank you all. Thank you besties for always coming back to watch my video, for supporting my channel, for watching my videos, and for all your support. I see all your comments and I'm super, super grateful. Thank you all. You guys are the best. Thanks for joining my live stream. Thanks for supporting me. Like, thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. God bless you all. All right. So let's get straight into the video. For a quick and fast skincare routine, first thing you need, of course, cleansing. You need to cleanse your skin. You need to cleanse your face. After cleaning your face, you definitely need to clean your body, right? So when you clean your face, you clean your body, you wash. That means having your bath. So you need to have your bath. So that's the first step. Your body needs to be clean. For you to do any skincare, you need cleansing. You need to clean your body before you apply your skincare products so that it will work effectively for you. All right. So you start with a gentle facial cleanser. So it's either if you have your face wash, you can wash with your face wash. Some people just use face wash. I have my face wash here. It's just do a gentle cleansing. All right. After your face wash, if you like, some people don't use a cleanser. Some people don't use a cleanser because this is also a cleanser. This also cleans your face. All right. So some people, this is Skin by Zaron face wash. All right. So you can use your face wash to clean your face if that's what all you want. But sometimes, even after using your face wash, you can still have some dirt on your skin. So that's why most times you can still use your cleanser. So this is a face wash and a cleanser. So for some people, they just use a face wash and they don't bother to use cleanser. They just proceed to the next step. But for me, I use my face wash and I still use my cleanser because most times when you use your cleanser, you still see dirt. So even after using this, even after washing your face, you can still see dirt on your skin because when you use your cleanser takes off every dirt on your skin, especially for people with oily skin. Like for me, I have a oily skin, even though this is a hydrating cleanser, but it also contains alcohol, which helps to for oil control. All right. So this is a cleanser and this is a face wash. This face wash is oil control because it contains salicylic acid and it does help with oil control, all right? So it's the same thing. It's for acne prone skin. This is for acne prone skin. They both contain salicylic acid ingredients in them, which helps with oil control. So I use the cleanser to, clean every oil on my face to control oil, especially if I want to apply other products. So that's why I use it. And why I use this is because it helps to unclog my pores before applying the other skincare products. So do you understand? So that's why I use both of them. Because this one helps to wash and clean everything, while this one helps to remove every excess oil on my skin and unclog my pores before applying my toner and every other skincare. If you're using your cleanser, make sure you use a cotton pad. All right, make sure you have your cotton pad that you use to clean it, because after using your cotton pad, it will definitely show you that how dirty your skin is or how oily your skin is. You definitely see it on your pad, on the cotton pad. So that's why it's very important you use a cotton pad. Then the next second step is hydrating. So you need to hydrate your skin. All right, that's very important. So what you need is a toner. You either use a toner or an essence. Essence is also like a toner that you use, to prepare your skin, to balance your skin before you apply the next step, before the next skincare products that you apply on your skin. So this is very good. It's very important that you have your toner. Some people really don't use toner, but for me, I use a toner. But toner is very important because it helps to balance, it helps to soften your skin and helps to balance your skin and helps to prepare your skin for your next skincare product that you're applying, which is your serum. Your serum is what you apply on your skin that helps you. For some people don't really use serum. So this is a brightening toner which contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten your skin for skin glowing. So if you're having dull skin, all right, you can use a toner to help to brighten your skin. It helps. And if you're having like oily skin, for me, you can use a hydrating. This is a hydrating toner. Yeah, there are other hydrating toners that you can use for dry skin. All right, there are hydrating toners for dry skin, but this is a hydrating toner and this is for oily skin. So the next step is to hydrate your skin using a toner. It helps to give you like a plump skin. It helps to with oil control. It helps to fade away dullness and dark spots on your skin. All right, and it's good for acne prone skin. It's also good for people. There are different toners for different skin types. So the next step is you applying your serum. The serum is also important, all right? But some people don't apply serum. Some people just feel like, especially for moms that are in a hurry, they don't bother to apply serum. If you have a good skin, if your skin, if you're not suffering from hyperpigmentation, or you're not having too sensitive skin, or you're not having, wrinkles, yeah, because there are different serums for different issues, different skin problems. Serums are actually good when you want to fight different skin, maybe certain skin issues. That's why you need a serum. Like, let's say you have a sensitive skin, or you are having acne or dark spots that has refused to go, or you're having hyperpigmentation, a stubborn hyperpigmentation that is refusing to go. You can get a serum that can cure that. Or let's say you are trying to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, like this is a polypectyl serum, for fine lines and wrinkles. So you can get different serums for your different issues, skin issues, all right, that you want to use it for. So this is a serum. So the next step is to apply your serum, all right. This is step 3, which is you applying your serum on your skin, to help to prevent maybe hyperpigmentation, or to clean dullness, or to fade away dark spots, or to brighten your skin, or to hydrate your skin. Serums are highly concentrated. That's why they are in a tiny bottle, highly concentrated, but they do the work. And all you need is just few drops of serum on your face, and it will do the work. And it's very easy. All you need to do is just to open it, just pour a few drops on your face and just press a little, press in circular motion, all right, and apply on your skin, and that's all. So that's the third step, which is very easy. So after applying your serum, the next step is to apply your moisturizer, all right. So what you need to do is, just after you apply your serum, you just take a little of your moisturizer just to moisturize your skin, all right. There are different types of moisturizer for different skin types, depending on your skin type. If you have oily skin, there are moisturizers for oily skin, there are moisturizers for dry skin, which help to hydrate, and give you a plump skin so that it doesn't make your skin look dry. Then there are moisturizers for combination skin as well, that you can use for maybe if you have oily or dry skin, and people with combination skin, all right. Your moisturizer helps to lock in all these products that you've applied, all these steps that you've done. This is what locks it in. So it moisturizes your skin and locks in everything for you so that it works effectively for you. So that's why you need a moisturizer. So whatever you do, make sure you don't skip a moisturizer. You don't skip this step. This step is more important than anything. This step and the next step I'm going to be mentioning, which is very important. So that's why you need to watch this video and watch it to the end, all right? Put a few on your hand, rub it with your palm, then massage on your skin. Make sure you massage it very well and make sure it penetrates, it enters your skin, that you massage it very well and allow it to lock in every moisture. So if you want your skincare product to work effectively, please apply them morning and evening. Once you apply your moisturizer to help lock in moisture, it takes me to my next step, which is step 5, which is your sunscreen. Apply your sunscreen, especially on your face, especially daytime. Sunscreen is just for daytime, just to protect you from the sun, and you don't need to use it in the night. So this step is very important. Why? Because it helps with anti-aging. It helps with to reduce dullness. It helps to fade away dark spots. Sunscreens are very important because if you don't apply your sunscreen, you notice that you're getting darker because the sun is harsh, especially if you're in Abuja. If you're using the sunscreen, don't play with it. Make sure you apply it before you go out, and apply it 2 to 3 times daily, every day. All right, you need your sunscreen every day. It helps to protect your skin, it helps to preserve your skin complexion and everything. This is the step. That's why I said it's 5 minutes. Imagine if you're going to apply all these things, it takes just 5 minutes, one minute each for them, and you're good. It's not about having long routines, it's about being consistent and buying the right products for your skin. Know what suits your skin, know when to apply it, be consistent when you're applying it, and that's it. And they don't need to be too much, and you don't need to go break the bank to apply this skincare to have a glowy skin. With just this simple skincare routine, simple, fast and easy 5 minute skincare routine to help give you a glowy skin, a flawless skin. You'll be looking radiant, you'll be looking beautiful, you'll be looking younger with just few skincare routines. Just know what to apply, when to apply, be consistent, and that is all. So you don't need long skincare routines. You don't. Trust me, you don't. For skincare routines that actually works, watch this playlist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja, and I'll see you on the next one.